Welcome back to TryNtest YouTube channel. Getting older does not mean slowing down or giving up the comfort and freedom you deserve. With the right mobility and home support gadgets, seniors can move more safely, stay more independent, and make everyday tasks feel easier and less stressful. Whether it's around the house, in the bathroom, or out in the garden, these smart tools are designed to bring more confidence, comfort, and security into daily life. So let's continue the countdown with the next 15 helpful products. All the mentioned product links are in the description below. Number 15. Bathtub Safety Rails. These padded bathtub safety rails are a practical and dependable solution for seniors and anyone with mobility issues who wants more safety and independence in the bathroom. They are designed for bathtubs with flat rims 3.5 inches or wider, and the adjustable clamp-on grab bars provide stable support when entering or exiting the tub, helping reduce the chance of falls. With a weight capacity of 242.5 pounds and anti-slip rubber padding, they not only hold securely but also help protect the tub from scratches. The padded handle adds comfort and a better grip, while the tool-free installation makes setup simple without any permanent changes. These rails can be adjusted from 3.5 to 6.5 inches, making them versatile enough for different bathtub sizes. Ideal for elderly care, rehabilitation, or post-surgery recovery, they help users feel safer, more confident, and more in control. Number 14. Compact Folding Walker. This narrow walker is built with elderly users in mind and offers a compact, practical solution for everyday mobility. With a slim width of only 19.7 inches, it is especially helpful for tight spaces and easy transfers in and out of vehicles, making it a strong choice for both indoor and outdoor use, including travel. The one-click release trigger handle allows the walker to fold safely and easily, with each side working independently for better stability while standing and smoother movement through narrow areas. Made from lightweight yet durable medical-grade anodized aluminum, it supports up to 350 pounds while weighing only 6.5 pounds, so it is both sturdy and easy to handle. It also comes with two skis that help reduce friction with the ground for smoother rolling. On top of that, the tool-free height adjustment makes it easy to customize for different user heights, giving a more comfortable and supportive fit. Number 13. Anti-slip tape. Anti-slip tape is a simple but powerful safety solution for both indoor and outdoor spaces. It is designed to increase traction on stairs, tubs, and many other surfaces, helping reduce the risk of slips and falls. Its waterproof construction makes it durable in all weather conditions, so it works well all year round. The tape is easy to apply and built to handle heavy foot traffic, which means it can deliver long-lasting performance. Its non-abrasive surface is gentle on bare feet, making it a smart choice for areas such as bathrooms and poolside spaces. It is also made to withstand extreme temperatures from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit without cracking or peeling, making it suitable for both hot and cold climates. With a strong waterproof adhesive, it bonds securely to smooth surfaces and creates a safer environment for seniors, children, and anyone who needs extra grip. Number 12. Electric Jar Opener. This electric jar opener makes opening stubborn lids much easier and safer, especially for seniors or anyone with weak hands or arthritis. It works effortlessly on lids from 1.2 inches to 3.5 inches, thanks to its durable stainless steel internal components. However, it is not intended for plastic lids, such as some mayonnaise jars with a soft silicone edge. The opener gives a secure grip without putting strain on your hands, which makes it a very helpful kitchen tool for people with limited hand strength. Just press the button for 3 seconds, and it automatically grips and opens the jar for you, removing the struggle from the process. It is a must-have for anyone who finds opening jars difficult and wants a faster, safer, and easier way to handle everyday kitchen tasks. Number 11. Step Stool. The Cabte Senior Step Stool with handles is a versatile aid designed to make reaching higher surfaces safer and more comfortable. Its adjustable height ranges from 33.7 inches to 37.6 inches, allowing it to fit different user heights and hand sizes with better comfort. Built with carbon steel support tubes and a thickened platform, it offers strong support, while the rubber feet help improve stability and safety. The smart 2-in-1 design lets users easily switch between a stool with handles and one without, depending on what they need at the moment. It is also easy to install and store, which adds convenience for everyday use. This stool is especially useful for reaching higher beds, vehicles, or bathtubs, and it can even serve as a footstool to help seniors get in and out of bed more easily. With heavy-duty steel construction and wider legs, it supports up to 440 pounds. Number 10. Tammer Non-Slip Mat. The non-slip bathtub and shower mat is an essential safety item for any bathing area. Designed with suction cups and drain holes, it helps keep a firm grip on wet surfaces and greatly lowers the risk of slips and falls. The soft, machine-washable material offers comfort while also making cleaning easy, which is very convenient for busy homes. Its quick-drying design helps prevent water from building up, supporting better hygiene and reducing the chance of mold growth. The customizable size also means you can cut it to fit your space perfectly. By adding this mat to your bathroom, you create a safer and more secure bathing experience for yourself and your loved ones, bringing peace of mind every time it is used. Number 9. One-handed cutting board. This adaptive one-handed cutting board is made to make meal preparation easier and safer for people with limited hand mobility, including seniors, stroke survivors, and individuals with disabilities. Its anti-slip design and stainless steel spikes keep food firmly in place, allowing users to cut, chop, or slice with just one hand. The board also comes with a one-handed vegetable peeler, bread stops, and a vegetable chopper with 6 removable blades for easier cleaning. Built from sturdy natural wood, it is made to last, while the anti-slip texture and protective cover add extra safety during use. This all-in-one adaptive kitchen tool is a smart way to simplify cooking tasks and help users maintain their independence in the kitchen. Number 8. Electric knife. This electric knife is an excellent kitchen tool for seniors because it combines ease of use, safety, and efficiency. Its lightweight build and ergonomic handle make it comfortable to hold, even for people with limited hand strength. The knife is equipped with 2 sharp serrated stainless steel blades that can slice through meats, bread, fruits, and vegetables with very little effort, eliminating the need for heavy pressure or a sawing motion. The extra-long 70.9-inch cord gives users plenty of reach, allowing comfortable use in different kitchen setups. Safety is also a priority, with a dual safety lock that helps prevent accidental activation. It runs with low noise and low vibration for a smoother experience, and the removable blades are dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. With a 1-year warranty and US-based customer support, it also offers peace of mind. Number 7. Chair Series 2 Pro. This is a versatile all-in-one product made especially for outdoor lovers. It works both as a walking stick and a portable chair, so users can quickly convert it into a seat whenever they need a break. The chair also includes a smartphone holder, which keeps your hands free while you sit and relax. Its ergonomic handle has a specially angled shape and textured grain that make it easier to grip and reduce effort during use. The chair features the largest seat size among similar products, giving it extra comfort. Even though it weighs under 2.5 pounds, it is strong enough to support up to 136 kilograms. The stick length can be adjusted in 5 sections for a more personalized fit, and the anti-slip rubber feet offer better grip and stability, along with a drainage feature that is especially useful outdoors. Number 6. Back Assist Roller. The original Back Assist Roller Reacher is a practical help tool for seniors and people with limited mobility. It is designed to help apply pain relief creams or lotions to hard-to-reach areas without twisting, stretching, or straining the body. This smart applicator works with popular products like Boo-Freeze and features an easy-to-hold handle for a comfortable grip. It allows users to care for sore muscles on their own, making self-care safer, easier, and more convenient. By reducing strain and improving reach, this tool can help increase comfort, independence, and overall well-being. Number 5. Toenail clippers. These toenail clippers are a great choice for seniors and anyone with limited mobility. They include a built-in magnifier that helps improve precision, and the wide jaw makes it easier to handle thick nails. The long foldable handle allows users to trim nails without bending too much, while also making the tool easier and more comfortable to hold. They are designed for both right and left-handed users, and the thumb screw can be adjusted for the best results. For safer trimming, it helps to soak your feet first to soften the nails and cuticles, then dry them before cutting. It may take a little practice to get used to the long handle, but over time it makes foot care much safer and easier as you age. Number 4. Electric Chairlift. This electric chairlift is a truly life-changing mobility aid for seniors, people with disabilities, or anyone recovering from an injury. Even though it weighs only 29 pounds, it is strong enough to support up to 300 pounds thanks to its durable alloy steel frame. The foldable side wings make it easier and safer to move from the floor into the chair without awkward body movements. It runs on rechargeable batteries and is fully waterproof with an IPX8 rating, which means it can even be used in the bathtub. 6 suction cups on the bottom provide extra stability, helping ensure a secure and controlled lift every time. Number 3. Grabber Reacher. This heavy-duty trash grabber is ideal for seniors and anyone with limited mobility. It can pick up items weighing up to 5 pounds and features a strong patented latch that will not bend easily. The magnetic tip is especially useful because it includes two powerful magnets that help pick up small metal items like nails, coins, batteries, and other tiny objects from hard-to-reach places. Weighing only 10 ounces, it is lightweight and easy to handle for everyday use. It also folds for simple storage and carrying. On top of that, it comes with clip-on tubes so you can attach it to a walker, wheelchair, or bed, keeping it close and ready whenever you need it. Number 2. Door Stopper. This strong, dual-purpose security bar helps protect both hinged and sliding doors, making it a smart choice for improving home safety. It can be adjusted up to 43.5 inches for regular doors and 39 inches for sliding doors, giving it flexible use in different spaces. The strap handle makes it easy to store when not in use. Built from tough 20-gauge steel, it offers solid protection, while the rubber grips help keep it in place without scratching your floors or doors. No tools are required for installation, and it only takes 3 simple steps to set up. It also folds compactly for storage and portability, making it a practical way to help keep your home secure with very little effort. Number 1. Garden Kneeler. This garden kneeler and seat is designed with comfort and convenience in mind, especially for seniors. Its widened seat gives users extra room, making it more comfortable for longer periods of use without putting too much pressure on the knees or back. Lightweight, yet durable, it folds easily for storage and portability while still supporting up to 330 pounds. It also includes 2 large tool pouches, giving you a handy place to keep gardening tools within reach. Whether you use it as a seat or flip it over to kneel, this versatile stool is perfect for gardening tasks and makes a thoughtful gift for anyone who enjoys spending time outdoors. And that brings us to the end of this video. We hope you found these helpful products useful and inspiring. If you enjoyed this list, make sure to subscribe so you never miss the next one.